Hello, I will talk about my app review. Now, once you open the application, you are prompted to this page. This page has basic interface, has search bar to search your documents and different other features of the application. And then you have a big button here where you can click and scan a new document. And it also shows your recent document that you have scanned. Now you also have this camera button and you can directly access to scan a document. Now let's begin with the features of scanning a document, which is primary purpose of this application. Now let's talk about when I click here, you can see the application of the document itself by lining with a green border, and once you adjust completely you can click to the button. Now when you click here, you have prompted another screen. This screen is edit your document, bunch of the options here. Now let's talk about the first option, which is renaming. So let's name it test 1. And here is you have editing option for the document you have scanned. You can enhance the document and multiple filters. So the example, I can choose this one, and so the filter Magic Pro apparently has the best results with this one. Next, you have the option to retake the image, or you have the option to change the orientation of the image. You have the option to crop the image this way, but it's perfect, so let's not crop it. And you have the option to extract text of the sign-in and many more. When you swipe to the right, you have the option to add new page of the document. Once you click you will prompt to the screen to scan another document. When you click on scanning option, you are prompted to this screen. Now let's talk about the screen a bit. You have option to scan a single document, a batch, or you have option to scan on a different kinds of documents. So for example, you have an ID, you can scan a question set so it can adjust for the camera setting accordingly. This is great for the help of the document. Now let's talk about the image of the application mainly, and it's very user friendly. So you have recent files, you have other options and features about, and you have search bar to search your files, and you have a camera to document. In this files page, you have your files here. You can impact or import image option to create a new folder, and in tools bar you have provides with the icon displayed in text of the bar. But in the ME page where you have access to the account and other information, it needs to be improved, many options, and there are with a lot of clutter and a lot of spacing in the issue that shows to be improved.